Yo, what is up guys? It is Matthew Maz Fishing and I hope you're having a great day. It's currently about 7:30 a.m. and I have a big presentation to do this morning, and then hopefully I'm gonna hop out and go do some fishing. So we are finally off of the ice. I'm heading down to the rivers to go do some steelhead fishing. Really stoked. Haven't caught a steelhead or even float fish for quite a bit for that fact. Hopefully I can get it done today and bank a couple of It's a little after 12:30. I have arrived to the river I'm gonna be fishing. I'm gonna get all set up and get fishing. I will catch you guys on the GoPro. There it is, guys. First fish of the day, finally. It's been so slow. It's a nice one. See if we can land this beauty. Oh no, oh no. This fish is hot. Beauty. Oh. Beauty fish. There it is, guys. Finally hooked another one. That was a big float drop. It's taking me down. Where is this fish taking me? Oh no. Oh. He broke me off. Hook popped. I had to stop him because there's all this brush down here, and if he goes in there, I'm done. What is up, guys? Damn. You are probably a little confused at this point, considering it looks so sunny out and it was very gloomy in the last clip you saw. So it's currently the next day. I'm out here with Grant.
What's up?
We've actually been fishing pretty much since like sunrise. It's currently about 11. We're gonna get fishing, hopefully catch a couple. It's been pretty slow so far. We'll see what happens.
Spot.
Thanks, pal. We just caught that fish, guys. That was wild. That was a very scrappy fish, as you guys saw in that last clip. He absolutely demolished the bead that I had on there. It was like a little frosted, kind of like lime green. Really sick bead, works really well. Scrappy fish, put up a great fight. So happy, finally got into one. Okay guys, it is currently 1:11 p.m. It's like the heat of day. Grant and I are gonna hop and go get some food. He's backing up right there. We're gonna go and get some food, and we're actually gonna hop to a different river and go fish there for a little bit. Try something new, see if anything else is going on some other water systems nearby. Yeah.
And we've got at least 12 or 15 fish out of here.
Oh, they're here.
Within like an hour and a half or so.
We just saw a couple more jumps, so maybe they're gonna heat up a little bit.
Yeah,
There he is.
That's a fish.
Right as we say that. Maybe they're gonna heat up a little.
Yeah, it's gonna heat up. Oh yeah. Buddy, I'll get the net for you. You bring that one in, okay?
Ooh! Aw, sorry, man. Just cut that off. Yeah. Well, guys, that is just about all she wrote for that day. I stayed out right till dark, didn't get any more hookups or anything like that. But nonetheless, I had a really fun day fishing with Grant. Met a couple of new people on the river too, which is always nice. Opener's just around the corner, guys, and I can't freaking wait. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my new brand, Silver Bullet Baits. Hit that subscribe button down below and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you have a great day, and peace.